Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how to do the installations of the AutoChimp multi-camera kit. So the kits are going to come like this with a vehicle specific harness. It varies for the different vehicles out there. This one here is the Toyota one, but we're going to show you how to install this one today, because all our kits are the same. The installation method is the same. It's just the harness that changes and the way you pull the stereo out. We're going to upload different videos on our YouTube channel on how to pull the stereos out, but if we don't have a video for your car, you can find many of them on YouTube. Use this video for the connection guide on how we connect our AutoChimp multi-camera kits to your car. So this is how the harness is going to come, guys. You're going to undo it. It's going to be pretty clear and super easy to do. First step is connecting this harness to the multi-camera module. You're going to see that you get 3 plugs that need to go to the multi-camera module. The main power plug, one that will say video out, and one that will say camera 1. These 3 will all connect together onto the one side of the AutoChimp multi-camera kit. We've designed it this way on purpose in order to keep your wiring as simple as possible. Wiring connects power in, V out goes to V out. There is top notches here. They can only go in one way. Cam 1 goes to cam 1. Now that's as simple as the wiring to our module is. If there is an additional plug like this, please ignore it. This is for other vehicles. Sometimes they need additional adapters. You can just tape that up into the loom. But that is how you connect our module. And now these 2 plugs are going to go into the back of the stereo. Okay, we're going to show you how to do that connection right now. So this is a Toyota Hiace van. It's going to take us a couple of seconds to pull the dash out. We'll quickly show you how easy it is. It's like this on every vehicle. This car happens to be super easy. Pull it forward. We sell non-marring pry bars on our website so you don't damage the plastics and things like that. So you can put that behind here. Super cheap, or you can use whatever you want. Get your own tools if you have them. But all you're going to do is pull the dash out, undo the bolts on the stereo, pull the stereo forward. Sorry, I'm going to shut this up quickly. There we go. All we're going to do is turn the vehicle off, pull the stereo out. We're going to connect to the back. All right, and I'm going to show you as easy as possible. On this vehicle, we're going to connect here. I'm going to put it up on the dash so you can get a clear view. If you are installing this yourself, please ensure that you do put something soft down so you don't scratch your vehicle. It's imperative that you do not scratch your vehicle. As we did earlier in the video, we connected to our modules, but these are the 2 that are going into the stereo. And what these are is a little T-harness, okay? So one harness is going to go into the back of the stereo, and one's going to go into the harness that you pull out of the stereo. So on the Toyotas, it's these 2 here, and all you need to do is press the little locking tab and pull them out. Now this one's hard to get to because this is in the way, so you can push the top tab and get that out of the way. Be sure to remember to put that back in. We're going to pull these 2 out, and it's going to be as simple as putting in the new modules. Here we go. You cannot get this wrong. They'll only go in one way, male to female, and then they plug back into the radio. Ensure that you do plug in anything else that you did unplug. All right. That is it, guys. That's as easy as the installation is. That's all that you need to do on the connections. Your cameras will plug in here. Camera 2, 3, 4. This is the vehicle specific side. These are your camera sides. And it's as simple as plugging in the camera and it will work. So this is the AutoChimp Pro Series camera, direct plug and play. You don't need to get power anywhere else. This will run the cameras for you. Then you just mount that in your dash, however you like to do it, nice and neat. So we're going to run this up behind here. We're going to plug the camera in. Super simple. And we're going to tuck it behind here. We're going to tie that up nice and neat. And as you can see, if that looks a little bit messy to you, you can actually tape it up. So when we do our installations, we'll bundle this up, we'll tape it up. We do sell Tessa tape, which is available on our website as well, which is the matching cloth tape so that your installation stays the same. I mean, we're pretty anal for our installations and we like to keep things super neat. Hence we design plug and play stuff. But that's as easy as the installation is going to be, guys. That's the 2020 onwards Toyotas. It is some of the 2018, 2019. Each vehicle differs, but that's the Toyota installation. So guys, once you've tidied it up, you can pack it away, put that back down in your dash. The camera's all plug and played. Super simple to do. put it back in your vehicle, it will work. Done. You will never have to pull the dash out again.